Stay close, children. The park is busy today.
Oliver, wait! The kite is flying away!
Oh no! Our picnic ticket is gone. Let's check again.
I don't know what to do. Stop, Oliver. Wait for adults.
You are right. We need a plan.
Please be careful. It is near the water.
Good warning, Lily. We ask for help now. Now.
Please help us. We lost our ticket.
Good job asking. We can fix this safely.
Excuse me. Please help us.
Please help us.
I don't know where I am. I made a mistake. I need help. Thank you for helping us. I am sorry. I will stay with you.
Good. Let's walk together.
Can I play with you? Mom, may we play here? Yes, you may. Good choice, Oliver. Stay together and share. Do you play safely? Please subscribe and share.